Hi, this is Captain Mike Santoro with your Contract Admin Committee. In today's tip of the week, we're going to discuss daily reassignment pay, or DRP for short. DRP is covered under two sections of the CBA. One discusses how it applies to reserve assignments, and the other is how it is applied to awarded pairings. Let's start with the reserve application. 4M6 states that DRP applies to the single duty period at the point of change, and that all future days will pay as rescheduled. This causes a shifting reference point for each duty period based on the final reroute of the day prior. For example, let's say you're assigned a 4-day pairing and on day 2 you're given an add-on leg. Only day 2 will garner you the DRP considerations. Day 3 and day 4 are reset to have your new add-on pairing be the original duty day, which is now the reference, should you encounter additional reroutes that may come up on those days. Now on to how daily reassignment pay works for awarded pairings. For this, I will be referring to section 4R1 of the CBA. DRP is the comparison between the original duty periods as awarded versus the final duty period as flown. The CBA gives no consideration or pay protection for the various reroutes in between. For example, you're on a 3-day pairing that pays $19.5. On day 2, you're about to report to the airport, so you look at your board and see your day is now paying $14.5. Because of a large reassignment when you get to your first stop. You acknowledge the change and get on your way. Upon landing, scheduling has changed their mind, and now you've decided to keep you on your original assignment. Just because you saw on your schedule a day that pays $14.5 and even acknowledge that change, 4R1 specifically states that if you don't fly it, you won't be paid for it. So your day reverts to its original value. Remember, you will be paid the grade of either the original TFP awarded or the actual TFP as flown, not the various iterations in between. And that is your Contract Admin Tip of the Week.